Hi guys, I'm really sorry that I couldn't be there today. I changed the deadlines for some other stuff that I had posted this week. So tomorrow, or today, it'll be today by the time you're watching this, the only thing that I want you to do is the desmos activity, and it's only 7 slides. It should not take you very long. And then you can use whatever time you have left to do some makeup work. Ms. Dunsmore and I updated grades within the past couple of days. So chances are everybody has at least one assignment either in Google Classroom or an IXL that could get a little bit higher grade. So I'm sure everybody has some makeup work to do. So the desmos is only 7 slides. The first 2 slides are remembering how to tell which is the slope and which is the y-intercept. And I will remind you that for the second slide, that is not slope-intercept form. So you have to rearrange that equation into slope-intercept form before you can answer this question. So remember, we have the same 2 steps for every single problem. If you need to, Google how to go from standard form to slope-intercept form. I'm sure a million videos will come up. All right, I obviously won't be there to check, so make sure you continue on. So I'll do a few on this slide for you, and then the rest of the slides are pretty much the same. So a solution has to make an inequality true, and when we have the graph of an inequality, it's whatever points are in the shaded area are called solutions. So each slide has a couple of points, and you just have to check all of the ones that are solutions. So remember, an ordered pair is the x and then the y. So the point -3, 4 would be left 3, up 4. And that is not in the shaded area, so that is not a solution to this graph. All right, the point 2, 4 would be over 2, up 4 is a solution because it is on the solid line. If a point is on a dotted line, it is not a solution because a dotted line is just the less than or greater than sign. It's open. It does not include any of the points that are actually on the line. But solid includes the lines or the points that are on the line exactly. All right, so that's one solution. This point here would be another solution. So this is the point 2, 1. All right, and there's one more solution on this particular graph. All right, and so you're just going to do the same thing. And basically, you're just identifying which points are solutions. And then on this slide, you're just going to kind of summarize what you have found. All right, but that's it for tomorrow or Thursday. This is it for Thursday. Spend the rest of the class period doing some makeup work. So I expect to get a lot of emails that say so-and-so has resubmitted such and such. And if you're going to do an IXL, make sure you email me and tell me when you are satisfied with your IXL score.